robust Clarke CMB710 metal folder is a high-quality tool for quick and simple bending of metal sheets. Also known as a bending brake, the CMB710 can fold sheets up to 720 mm wide and should be securely bolted to a workbench for stability. In use, the sheet is inserted below the pressing plate, and the two clamp bolts are tightened down to hold the sheet in place. Raising the two handles will bend your sheet up to a maximum of 135 degrees. Suitable for bending steel or aluminium sheets, the CMB710 can handle up to 1.2 mm thick steel with ease and safety. The CMB710 is ideal for the accurate bending of sheet metal and is suitable for both DIY and garage bodywork projects.